Hello everyone, I'm Roshani Neopane from 6th Barun, and today I will be telling you guys about parallel lines, transversal lines and angles. First, parallel lines. This is a model of parallel lines. Parallel lines are not intersecting, they have equal distance and they are equal to each other. Parallel lines never meet. In symbol, this is how you write parallel lines. AB is parallel to CD. Now, transversal lines. Transversal line is a line intersecting any two pair of lines. Here we can see that transversal line MN is intersecting parallel lines AB and CD. Now, angles. First, alternate angle. Alternate angles are usually in a Z shape. They are on opposite sides of the transversal line. They are equal to each other. And the outer angles are also equal to each other. Now, co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are on the same side of the transversal line. They are usually in a U or C shape. Co-interior angles are supplementary, which means they add up to 180 degrees. They are both inside the parallel lines. Now, last but not the least, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are usually in S shape. They are on the same side of the transversal line. They are usually equal to each other. And one of the angles is inside the parallel lines and one of them is outside. I hope you understood about parallel lines, transversal lines, and the types of angles. Follow for more educational videos. Thank you.